to this restoration of a Dalle de Verre window. So over the next couple of weeks I'm going to be restoring this window that came from St Anthony's in Ottery St Mary in Devon. It was designed by Charles Norris, who is one of the monks at Buckfast Abbey. Buckfast Abbey has an enormous chapel that was built in the 20th century that is completely filled with Dalle de Verre. These windows are something smaller, it's about 1.2 metres by half a metre in size, and there are a number of windows at St Anthony's. This one unfortunately got hit by a lorry going around the corner. This is just a part of it. I'm going to start taking it apart on the bandsaw here, getting each individual piece of glass out, see if it's still intact, putting it in place on a map that I have laid out where the design fits, and over the next week or so we'll see what comes. So I'm going to start cutting this up now and we'll go from there. Each window that I've come across has a different type of resin that's been used. It's difficult to know what this is. It's red colour in the resin itself with a black top, and outside it looked like it was black sand that may well have just blackened with age. I'm going to try and see if I can manipulate this off now as it's free on one side. Yep, that one's come out. So that now is ready for cleaning. Once it's been placed on the map. This one may not come apart, it may need a bit more sawing. No, here we go. Thankfully the glass is tough. Okay, so there's the first two pieces out. We can put these on the map and then carry on doing what I'm doing, and each piece will be given a thorough clean before it starts being put back in the window.